What's good? What's good? What's good, my people? Mr. Selfish here, back with another video. Today we're gonna be doing an unboxing slash review on the Air Force One Lowe's City of Athletes. Okay, so these actually came out today, October the 17th, 1017 Brick Squad. But these were actually pretty limited from what I understand. I think these only came out in New York, but I'm not completely sure. Don't quote me on that. They did drop on sneakers, and I was able to get these from Street Game East Ridge in the Rock, upstate New York. So these are pretty limited from what I understand. I don't know any other stores who got it besides Street Game. But let's just get into it. All right, so you can see the box right here. Air Force One, '07 low LV. You already know you got these from Street Game. These came out in a size. Well, this size is 9.5. I was able to get my hands on 3 pairs though. Retail 130 with tax 140. So it's a normal black Air Force One box. Nothing special about it. But let's hop into the shoe. Okay. Bow. Okay, so as y'all can see, there's a lot going on with this particular shoe. But it's kind of like the theme. Each shoe is totally different. So these two shoes are different, I should say. So let's look at this one first. All right, so y'all can see. As y'all can see, we got this is the right pair. It's supposed to be called the City of Athletes, so I think it's inspired by like New York athletes. I'm gonna try to call out the inspirations, but y'all can let me know about some other ones because I don't see some of these. So right here in like a graffiti type font, it says New York in blue leather. Got the black swoosh right here with the 3M behind it. This white and navy blue. This panel, this remind me of the Yankees. This blue one remind me of maybe like the New York Giants. I don't know. It could be Knicks too, but this orange really up top. This remind me of the Knicks, like orange and blue. With the blue mini swoosh. We got a white tongue with red laces. Black midsole, not midsole, but toe box. These are pretty good quality as well. On the back, you got this Nike Air on this piece right here. It's like a carpet almost, like a teal, going down the back. If you can see, they got perforations on it. So I said, like, these are pretty good quality. This is a lot going on with these shoes. Other side, medial. We got the red leather up top, more blue. This is like a suede almost. And this is a silver swoosh. Black midsole. Right there. White Nike Air with the red contrast stitching. This is like a translucent bottom on this particular shoe. And that's the one down. So let me show y'all the other one. I actually like this shoe better, this particular copy here. So the front is like a light green. It's like the color of like a menthol cigarette box. That's kind of what it remind me of. Like the green and white, like make you think about bogeys. Even I don't smoke bogeys. I have them shits. Low white, like a mini swoosh on the side with that's white. This stitching right here is kind of like remind me of like a baseball almost. So maybe that's some inspiration. Black right here. Orange, bright laces. I don't know, I kind of like this profile of the shoe with the white. Got a blue swoosh that's kind of like patent leather, red smooth leather, yellow side. The back is like a football almost. It got that type of texture on it. I can hear that. This part right, white here on the other side. Okay, so this is like denim. I don't really know where that comes from, but it's like blue denim. It's a gold swoosh with more 3M on this one. And like I said, show y'all the insoles. So it's like an inverse on each. So this one says New York for black base, white letters. And the other one, white base, black letters. So y'all can, see it together here. I like the black lining, because you know how the lining gets filthy if it's like white or anything. And like gold lace dubrays, pretty much. These are, so show y'all top down. I don't know about these. Like I said, these are cool. They're definitely different. They would stand out, make you stand out. But at the same time, it's just like I don't really know what I would particularly wear with this. I said maybe some white pants, but you can pretty much wear whatever color you want. It's just some Skittles, pretty much. But I'm sure somebody definitely willing to take them off my hands. I'm probably gonna throw them on StockX. But they're definitely like a conversation piece. Like these type of shoes, I'll probably wanna. You know how like you be at Foot Locker and they be having the shoes in the glass. These some shits to probably go in the glass. I don't really see myself rocking these, but that's pretty much the end of my review. You'll let me know, how y'all feel about these. Do you like them? Should I keep them? Would you sell them? Is it too much? Is it too? Would you just want to see more? I don't know. You be the judge. You let me know. But it's Mr. Selfish checking in, checking out. Y'all follow me on IG at Mr. Selfish 585 and just be on the lookout for more videos. Peace.